Deb here, and I want to talk to you about all-in-one profits. I haven't come across anything that has all the tools in one for the cost. You can get a basic membership and have your autoresponder, your splash page creator, and hosting account for $11.50 a month. And it's unlimited subscribers, whereas if you go to AWeber or GetResponse, MailChimp, whoever, most of those, after you hit a certain number of subscribers, we'll say 1,000, they will increase the price, and you're already at $20, so then you're jumping to 30 and 40. This one's not going to do that, and it does have an affiliate aspect, which is also nice. Now, if you have any issues, you can submit a support ticket and they will help you. They also, under the guide, have tutorials for the tracker, the autoresponder, the splash builder, and the hosting. Now, the one thing I do want to show you, just a couple key points here, since they've already got these things here. But you're going to go into your autoresponder. You're going to give it an ID, something that you know what it's for. Now, the campaign name is something your subscribers are going to see, so you want to be careful what you put there. And then you're going to, it's asked for a campaign email address. You hit submit, and then it comes up in your list. Now, to get to that list, to create your email, this is one thing it took me forever to figure out. You click go, then go up to autoresponder and hit edit. Now, doing your mail, you can do it plain or HTML. The few things I want to point out here are it gives you the spam score, which is a good thing, because that way, if it's a certain level, you can work and tweak your emails so that it has a better chance of going to their inbox instead of their spam. You're going to want to put a subject line. You're going to want to, you don't have to personalize it, but I like to do that. You just highlight it, copy, and then go up here and you can paste it, and you can say hi, and it says first name, but whoever signs up, it'll say hi John, hi Sue, whoever. And then you just type whatever you want to type. Make sure you have a subject line or it won't save. And then you just add the message. Now this one, the interval is set at 0. Your first email should always be set at 0, because once they confirm their subscription, you want to send them that welcome email right away. After that, you list it by the number of days after sign up. So if they signed up on a Monday and you want to send them another email on a Wednesday, you're going to put 2 in here, because that means 48 hours. Then the third email, if you want it to go out 2 days later, you're still going to put 2, because it's, or 2, 4, whatever you want to put. Now, as far as your splash page, you go to your toolbox, you hit splash page. The one thing that's nice about this is if you have one, you can delete these if you've messed up, and you just click delete, say yes, then you start over again. You got to give it a name and then hit create. You're going to go in here and you're going to click whichever one of these you want and then update. Then you're going to have to scroll down and go back to edit. Under meta tags, there's 3 little things here that you need to fill out: your title, a short description, and your keywords, such as affiliate marketing or whatever. Then go down right away and hit update settings, because if not, it does not save, it disappears. So update your settings. Now this is where you're going to add your text. I tend to center it because it just looks nicer that way. And you're going to type whatever it is that you have to say. Excuse me. I highlight it and change my font size. You can change the font family to whatever you want. And then you need to go back to your autoresponder. And again, go to Go, then hit Edit. Now you want to go to the Prospects tab and hit HTML form. You can choose one of these that's already made up. And all you do is click on it, you select it, you copy it, go back to your splash page builder and click on the HTML. Now after all that code, you're going to put the little less than greater than sign and type BR and do it twice. It's a line break. Before you put anything else in, you're going to do another tag with your little less than greater than signs and type in center. Then you can click enter and then paste and then update. Then update settings, scroll down, you can go here, view your splash page. They type their name in here, their email address, and sign up. Now the one thing, you can change the word sign up if you don't like that. You just got to find it in the code and type in whatever you want to say. Request info. Hit update, and there it says request info. And that's basically it for that. There's tutorials here on the splash page maker, so I'm not going to get too in-depth into that. If you get back home, you can test your autoresponders, you can send a broadcast. All that is on your home page under tutorials. Now, I can't impress upon you enough that All-in-One Profits is the whole package. It's fairly simple to use, even for somebody like me who's not very techy. And it's the best way to build your list, and it's the most cost effective. So with that said, if you have any questions, feel free to email me and I will get back to you. Have a good day.